Delve into the captivating realm of the girl dinner trend, which has taken the culinary world by storm. This comprehensive guide showcases the creativity, convenience, and deliciousness of low-maintenance meals while offering valuable insights and expert advice on how to optimize your dining experiences with girl dinners. The girl dinner trend has gained immense popularity, captivating food enthusiasts and casual diners alike. With its focus on low maintenance and delightful snack plates, girl dinners present a unique dining experience that blends convenience with culinary creativity. In this comprehensive guide, we embark on a delightful journey through the world of girl dinners, showcasing the appeal, pros, cons, and tips to create healthy and satisfying plates that cater to individual preferences. The girl dinner trend has taken social media platforms, particularly TikTok, by storm, with millions of views under the hashtag. Let's uncover the essence of this trend and what makes it so intriguing. The core of a girl dinner lies in its simplicity and aesthetic appeal. Resembling charcuterie-style boards, these snack plates feature a delightful mix of deli meats, cheeses, crackers, and chopped fruits and veggies. The presentation is key, as girl dinners are all about creating visually enticing and appetizing platters. The girl dinner trend presents a refreshing break from the traditional emphasis on clean eating and complex recipes. With time constraints and busy lifestyles, many individuals find solace in the ease and quick preparation of girl dinners. These plates are perfect for grazing and snacking, making them an ideal choice for post-work relaxation. While most girl dinners are delightful snack plates filled with diverse ingredients, some extreme examples have raised concerns among health experts. These extreme cases feature meals that lack adequate calories, nutrition, and dietary diversity. A balanced approach is crucial to avoid potential health risks. As with any trend, girl dinners have their fair share of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help individuals make informed decisions about incorporating them into their dietary habits. One of the key benefits of girl dinners is their convenience and affordability. For individuals living alone or facing time constraints, creating a full recipe might seem impractical. Girl dinners provide a quick and delightful alternative that satisfies hunger without extensive preparation. While girl dinners can be nutritious when thoughtfully composed, some examples featuring processed and low-nutrient foods should be approached with caution. Over-reliance on packaged snacks and sugary items can lead to adverse health effects. A balanced approach that includes nutrient-dense options is essential. The key to enjoying girl dinners without compromising on nutrition lies in the ingredients and presentation. Here are some tips to create a healthy and satisfying girl dinner experience. Incorporate a wide array of nutrient-dense foods into your girl dinner. Include vegetables, fruits, nuts, and healthy fats to boost nutritional value and satiety. Ensure your girl dinner includes a good balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. This will help you feel satisfied and maintain steady energy levels. Opt for colorful and visually appealing arrangements to make your girl dinner not only delicious but also visually enticing. Minimize the use of heavily processed snacks and opt for whole food alternatives. This will promote better overall health and well-being. Get creative with your girl dinner and experiment with different combinations of flavors and textures to cater to your unique taste preferences. Are girl dinners suitable for all dietary preferences? Absolutely. Girl dinners can be customized to accommodate various dietary preferences, including vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free options. Can girl dinners replace full meals? While girl dinners offer a delightful and satisfying dining experience, they may not provide all the necessary nutrients for a complete meal. It's best to balance them with nutritious main courses. Can girl dinners be served at social gatherings? Certainly. Girl dinners can make fantastic additions to social gatherings, potlucks, or casual get-togethers, delighting guests with their variety and aesthetic appeal. Are girl dinners suitable for children? Girl dinners can be an excellent way to introduce children to a diverse range of foods in a fun and engaging manner. Just ensure to include child-friendly options. Can girl dinners be healthy snacks for weight management? When composed of nutrient-dense foods and proper portion control, girl dinners can indeed serve as healthy snacks to support weight management goals. Subscribe newsletter. Email address. Subscribe.